Hey, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are creating a Power Pages site by using a Copilot agent. So, for the beginner purpose, I'm assuming I have zero knowledge on the Microsoft Power Pages and let's we start. Okay, so whenever you sign up to the make.powerpages.microsoft.com, you will see the this type of landing page. Okay, I just clicking on the get started. Now it's just loading. Okay, so now we are in the tell us about yourself. Okay, so I'm just selecting the manufacturing, and then we have one new designer, okay, for the creation of the Power Pages site, that is a Copilot one. If you using the Power Apps, so you are aware, okay, so how to describe, and we are building apps by using the Power App. The same feature now is embedded in the Power Pages as well. So now let's do it the one of the app. Okay, I will go with the inventory and supply chain. Okay, so this is demo, so we can see, and I'm just giving the prompt. Okay, now it's creating a site for me. Let's see. Okay, it's given the name as well. Okay, I will use one dash and my name in front of that. Okay, works. Let's click on the next. Okay, so they are asking which site we want. So we want the, so let's click on the next. Would you like to add any pages now? Okay, yeah, we need about, contact us, FAQ, supply delivers, and materials. So we are adding all the pages that they are recommended us. Okay, if you want to generate new, we can be click on this um, refresh icon. Okay, and you will get some new ones. Okay, so let's see what it is giving us. Okay, so it is giving new supply delivers pages. Okay, it's look good now. So let's select the pages that are required for us. Okay, we are selecting all. If you want to see that page in the details, so we have this icon to expand it. So in this way it will look like. Okay, works for us. And so it is taking some time for the building the Power Pages site in the background. So it is same like our templates. Okay, but you will get one starting point for the designing of the Power Pages site here. So let's wait for. So it is giving us some instructions. Okay, what themes we need. Okay, styling and other things. So for inventory, I like this theme. Okay, but I want the red one, this red one. Hmm. We'll proceed with this one. Okay. Now save. In the left, we will get the documentation as well. Okay, for the learning purpose, what we want. So this is one of the good feature I liked. Intro to Power Pages. Okay, good to trust. It is providing us, okay, what we want, and without learning Power Pages, we can proceed further now. As previously, you need the hands-on, complete end-to-end knowledge on this, but now not now. Okay, so now if I go in the pages, and now if you see in the our right hand side, we have one Copilot as well. Okay, so let's we see what is working. Okay, so we'll use one new option, and so we just give a prompt to it. Okay, I done the spelling mistakes as well when giving the prompt, so we will get exact idea how it is working. Okay, so if you see the typo mistake I have done, and I give a prompt to it, I want to show my all the inventories. In that, if I select any in, then it should be get pop up for the edit purpose. So you can see our page is generated now. Let's see how it's looking like. So if I click on the desktop view, so here we have, it is given a template for us. Okay, at the top it gives a image, and if I click on the add item, so it is not working because it is just gives us HTML CSS for our page, not added in JavaScript, web browser or anything. So if you want to utilize that, so in our next video, I am creating an full tutorial how to do this by using an cloud and Microsoft plugins, okay, that newly introduced. So we are seeing this in our upcoming videos, okay. So here also you can see in the current inventory list, it is given the static data, not the actual one. So we are seeing this how we can automate these things as well, okay. So by using this Copilot feature, okay, you can simply create an HTML and CSS page, okay, and if you want to make some changes, so here you can go the prompt and it will make a changes for you, or you can simply modify it by here. huh? Here they given the options like rewrite, so it will rewrite the text. Hmm? So in this way it will work. So here you can see, so it is more focused for the simpler things, okay. So in this way we can be, if you are completely beginner and if you're having zero knowledge, you can utilize this feature. I will highly recommend you to use this in your future. In our next video, friends, we are seeing how to create an agent, okay. If I go, okay, here is our site and here is our agent, okay. If I text here in the agent, so it will gives us the response, okay, hello, and anything that you are asked, it will gives to you. That's all, friends, about this video. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Thank you.